Hello, this is a video about a 96 F450 4x tow truck for sale. Front bumper, twin line wheel lift, looks like a Century bed. Front bumper's up there. How is that? Oh, oh, that's cool. Looks like it's got the sling. That looks pretty rusty. It's a nice truck. Vent in the door. Worn hubs. That must be a picture when it was like newer. I just seen this truck for sale at the IAA auction and I saved it, but apparently it was for sale at that time and somebody called them up and bought it. And now it's for sale for $7,000. Actually, $6,995 to be exact. Yeah, that's a heck of a truck. You do a lot of winch outs with that thing. Tows small cars, small trucks. Oh, it's got a visor, cab lights. You can't really see that from up here, but yeah, it's got some backup lights. Nice truck. Anyways, I'm gonna start doing some reviews on tow trucks. See if I get any views on that. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.